Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an intro for your YouTube channel. Intros are something that a lot of people struggle with. They don't find the correct animations, and the apps or websites they visit usually are paid. So I'm going to show you how you can create a good intro for free. So just open your browser as usual. Next thing, I'm gonna go and search Placeit Intro Maker. Yep, I'm sorry, I misspelled it. Yeah, so this is it. Or if you don't want to do this, you can just either just type in placeit.net, and you can just go here, click on it. Again, disclaimer: this video is not sponsored by Placeit. Yeah, so that's it. So now what you want to do to create a video is, you can create lots of things, but to create a YouTube intro, you need to go to videos and click on intros. I'll just wait for it to work. Yeah. Now the problem here is that you might like some of them, but most of them are paid. So you want to make sure that for those of you who are trying to make your YouTube intro for free, so what you want to do is you want to go here and just click on free. So as you can see, there's this banner of free written over here. So I have a tech channel, so I'll just choose whatever is fun for me. I like this one and this one, but this is a boxing one and this is a techie one. Yeah, so I'll just go here. You might also notice that the intro that I've put in this video is basically this one, so you can go create your own one too. Or let's just choose a different one because I've already used this one. So these all are paid ones. You can use them also, but there'll be a watermark if you want to use them for free. So I'll just use a new template. Now what I can do here is I can either change the playback speed. I'll keep it at 1, but you can make slower or faster. Now I need to add my text. So my text will be my channel name, which is AD Tutorials. Yep, I can choose the font, I can choose the color. And now for my logo, I'm gonna replace this one with the logo that I just created right now. You can check it out on my previous video, how you can create a logo for your YouTube channel for free. So I'm just gonna crop it. This is too small. I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna crop it. So as you can see, my logo has appeared here. I'm gonna update the slide so I can see how it looks like. And I can search for party, or I can search for technology. You can see a ton of options up here. I can use this one too. It loads preview. No, I'm just gonna see what my logo looks like. So if you're happy with it, I mean, I'm quite happy with it right now. So now you just click on free download full video. So I'll go over here. You need to play all your sites. Okay, you just need to play all of them. So it just all gets updated and stuff. So guys, while you're waiting for this to finish up, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Yep, so it's successfully processed. I'm just gonna pause it and I'm gonna download the full video. Yep, so now you can either buy plans, but for those of us who want to do it for free, I can just click on, it's gonna be high resolution and without the watermark, so I'll just click on free download and sign up. I'll just log in. So guys, after I've signed up or log in, if you already have an account, you can see that our video will be processed, and once this bar reaches here, I mean once it's full, I can download my video. So I'll just wait for a few more seconds. Yep, so it's finished downloading and I can just click here to download it. Yep, and as you can see, it starts downloading. I'll just show you once it's downloaded that it works as well. You can do it for yourself too. Yep, so I'll just click on open. Yeah, so what I've basically done is I've overlapped the techie image onto my video. So you can do it for yours as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.